Hello, everyone, and welcome back to 9-Minute English on the Study English with Sin podcast channel. I'm Sin, your host for today, and I'm so excited to be here with you. Today's topic is one we all look forward to. It's about Christmas. More specifically, we'll be talking about the spirit of Christmas and why it's so special. Whether you love Christmas or feel a little stressed by it, we're here to talk about why it brings joy and how you can enjoy it even more this year. We'll also share tips for making the most out of the season, whether you're busy or just looking to relax. By the end of this episode, you'll feel the Christmas spirit and maybe even get a few new ideas to enjoy the holidays. And don't forget, we've prepared a free PDF full of tips and vocabulary from today's episode. You can find it in the description or comments below. Just make a copy and start learning. Alright, let's get started and dive into today's festive topic.
Hey Lily, you seem a bit tired today. Everything okay?
Not really, Tom. I've been feeling overwhelmed with all the Christmas preparations.
Oh no, that's not good. Have you been taking time to enjoy the season?
Honestly, no. I've been so busy with shopping, decorating, and making plans.
That might be the problem. I watched this Christmas video the other day. It said that the holidays are about spending time with loved ones and relaxing, not just about getting everything perfect.
I see what you mean. I've been so focused on everything looking perfect.
You don't need to worry so much about decorations or buying the best gifts. The important thing is enjoying the time with family and friends.
That's a good point. But I still want to make everything special.
Of course. How about starting with small, simple traditions, like baking cookies or watching Christmas movies together?
That sounds nice. I've been wanting to bake, but I haven't had the time.
Trust me, Lily, even the small things can make Christmas magical. For example, take a moment to relax and listen to some Christmas music.
I haven't done that yet this year.
It can really help you get into the holiday mood. Also, don't forget to spend time outdoors. Maybe take a walk to see the Christmas lights.
That sounds like a fun way to relax.
And remember, it's okay to take a break. The holidays should feel joyful, not stressful.
I'll try to focus on the fun aspects of Christmas.
That's the spirit, Lily. Sometimes the best memories come from just enjoying the moment.
Over 10 days later.
Hey, Tom. It's been a while. How are you doing?
Hey, Lily. I'm doing great, thanks. You look so relaxed today.
Thanks. I've been really enjoying the Christmas season this year.
That's awesome. What changed? Last time we talked, you were feeling a bit overwhelmed.
Well, I took your advice. I started by doing small things like baking cookies with my family and watching Christmas movies.
That's great. Have you noticed a difference?
Absolutely. I've been feeling much more relaxed, and I'm enjoying the time spent with my family.
That's fantastic to hear. You know, the holidays are all about the simple joys.
I even started doing something new this year, making DIY Christmas cards for my friends.
Wow, that's a lovely idea. You've really embraced the holiday spirit.
Haha, thanks. What about you, Tom? Have you done anything special for Christmas this year?
I've been focusing on spending time with family, too. We've been taking evening walks to see the Christmas lights around the neighborhood.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun. I think I'll do that this weekend.
That's the way to go, Lily. Sometimes it's the simple things that make Christmas truly special.
You're right. And I'm even planning a Christmas movie marathon with my friends next week.
That sounds amazing. Keep it up, Lily.
Thanks, Tom. I'm really enjoying this holiday season now.
Anytime. Christmas is all about the little moments, right?
Definitely.
Let's take a look at 5 helpful phrases from today's discussion. 1. Feeling overwhelmed. Feeling stressed or anxious because of too many tasks. Example: I felt overwhelmed with all the holiday shopping I had to do. 2. The holiday spirit. The joyful and festive feelings associated with Christmas. Example: singing carols really helps me feel the holiday spirit. 3. Traditions. Practices or activities that are passed down and repeated every year. Example: baking cookies is a family tradition we always do at Christmas. 4. Relaxing. Taking a break from busy activities to feel calm and comfortable. Example: it's important to relax and enjoy time with family during the holidays. 5. Holiday mood. The feeling or atmosphere of excitement and cheer during Christmas. Example: listening to Christmas music puts me in a holiday mood. 6. Simple joys. Small, everyday pleasures that bring happiness. Example: walking around the neighborhood to see the lights is one of my simple joys. 7. Take a break. To stop working or doing something for a short time to relax. Example: it's good to take a break and enjoy a cup of hot chocolate during Christmas. 8. Christmas lights. Decorative lights that are often used to celebrate Christmas. Example: we drive around the city to see the Christmas lights every year. Now, let's dive into 2 questions from today's conversation. Question 1. What's one way to enjoy the holiday season without feeling overwhelmed? From my experience, it's helpful to focus on small things like baking, listening to music, or just spending time with family and friends. Question 2. What's a simple tradition you could start to make Christmas even more special? For me, I love making homemade decorations or cards for my friends. It's a simple way to spread joy. Alright, before we wrap up, here's something fun to think about. Did you know that Christmas wasn't always celebrated on December 25th? Yup, the date was chosen in the 4th century to coincide with an existing Roman festival, but the holiday itself has been celebrated in many forms for centuries. And did you know that the first artificial Christmas tree was made in Germany? It was made out of feathers. Isn't that amazing? Christmas really has a long and interesting history. And here's another fun fact. The tradition of hanging stockings started because people would hang their socks by the fireplace, hoping for gifts from St. Nicholas. Isn't it fun to learn about Christmas traditions? And with that, thank you so much for joining me today on 9-Minute English. Don't forget to grab your free PDF with all the tips and vocabulary from today's episode.